Welcome to day 61 of Strong at 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 60, please go back and watch them. We went through so much already. And if you have not gotten your 3-book bundle, please get them, because today we're going over that Suing to Win book. So the Suing to Win book is included in that 3-book bundle. That is really the most important book, especially if you have negative accounts, because I'm all about, if they refuse to delete an account from your credit reports, I'm all about actually suing the companies, taking action against them. So I sued all 3 credit bureaus, and I have settlements with them. I have settlements with 2 separate collection companies, 2 separate lawsuits, and then I sued my creditors and have $40,000 worth of debt that I did not have to pay. And I'm actually heading to law school because I decided to go to school to be able to help you all throughout the process. Okay, so when I say help you all, I already got my associate's degree, just got my bachelor's degree, December 2025, which technically is 2 months ago, depending on when you watch this. But I just got my bachelor's degree, and I'm heading to law school because I want to be able to help you guys take legal action against these companies if they refuse to delete the accounts from your credit reports. But when it comes down to the suing for FCRA violation, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you can also do the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, which we're going to talk about tomorrow, day 62. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not trying to give y'all legal advice. I'm just talking about information that I know of, that I have seen. Y'all do with it as y'all please, but I'm not responsible for anything that you talk about or say to these companies, bills, or anything like that. I'm just talking from personal experience. But if they refuse to delete the accounts from your credit reports and you do your disputes, remember I told y'all have the 6 months of free dispute letters. So y'all have the 6 months of free dispute letters. Say you're sending out your letters just on your end too, okay, with your own dispute. You just send out your own dispute letters, because I think that they should be very, very detailed. I say that you should send them out certified mail. So here's like a I say that you should send your letters out certified mail. You sent them out your first month to the bureaus, nothing got deleted, then, or some accounts got deleted, but you still got a few accounts on there. I say, hey, send out another round of dispute letters. But this time, your second time you want to send out disputes, you want to send it to the credit bureaus, and you also want to send it to the company. So whether that's going to be the collection company or your creditor, okay? So you want to send it to them too. You want to ask both of those, how did you verify it? Send me documents. You know, that's basically a conversation you need to have for month number 2. If they continue to have this on your credit reports, then I personally would say, hey, send out a demand letter. Tell them that you want a certain amount. So I usually tell people, say you want $10,000, you want the deletion of the account from your credit reports, and you want the waiver of debt. So if they say that you owe $5,000 for a collection, say, hey, I need you to waive this debt. I no longer owe you $5,000. I need you to waive this debt. Okay, so those are the 3 things. So money, deletion, and waiver of debt. If it's the credit bureau, they can give you waiver of debt. They don't actually own the debt, but I would say ask them for money and ask them for deletions, okay? But I personally like the federal court for this. I have done state court before, but I love federal court for this. And this book right here, the Suing to Win book, tell you all of the steps to go through that process. Okay, tell you all of the steps to be able to go through this process. But do not overthink this process. In a sense, it is going to be turns. I can say that. I just know that from personal experience helping people. It's going to be twists and turns. Courts are going to be different. Not only are courts different, but different cases are different, and different rules. Certain things can happen with one case that won't happen with another. Different things can come up. So just be ready to like stick and move, basically, because there's going to be a lot of stuff going on, and just keep your sanity through the process. Okay, I talked to a lawyer out in New York, and he said no matter what, when you're suing these companies, never accept less than $3,000. Okay, never accept less than $3,000. So if you're suing all 3 credit bureaus, never let them give you less than $3,000. Try to get way more than that. That's what I would say, but never accept less than $3,000. And he also said too, when you're suing your creditors, same thing with them, $3,000, and we mean each. TransUnion, $3,000. Equifax, $3,000. Experian, $3,000. If you're suing collection company, ERC, Enhanced Recovery Company, $3,000. You know, you're suing your creditors, Capital One, give me $3,000. Whoever you're suing, make sure you get the $3,000. But if y'all have additional questions about this process, definitely let me know. But just know that that was the process of actually doing 3 months of letters. They're actually putting your lawsuit in and taking legal action. That's the biggest thing I want you to know about it. You do need to learn the more additional details, and it's all in this book on how to actually do it step by step. Don't forget, when y'all get your 3-book bundle, it came with a course. Take full advantage of that, okay? So make sure you all take full advantage of that. Again, I'll make sure I link those down below. And you guys still, again, you have the option to get the 6 months of letters. I'll see you all for day 62, where we're going to talk about actually what you can say about these collection companies, because the collection companies doing things wrong. You have more rights. It's more things when it comes down to the collection companies. So I'll go ahead and see you all then. All right. I'll link those things down below.